Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the shop section on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So the answer is easy. Just first of all enter the application, and then here you will find this, and the bottom and the left you will find here. So as you see here, you can choose the type as you see, and that's it. That's how to find it. Now you can buy anything you want. You can customize anything. For example, this one, it looks cute. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.